If you are looking for a multi-point door lock replacement for a PGT 750 French door, we can help you find the exact lock that was originally installed by PGT. There were a few lock brands that PGT used throughout the years. The easiest way to determine what specific lock you have is to look at edge of the active door panel. Look at the edge of the door and pay particular attention to the cutout spaces in the aluminum extrusion. This is where the deadbolt and the striker latch stick out. This tells us what lock you have installed in your PGT 750 series door. It should be a 3-point lock. This particular 3-point lock system locks at the deadbolt and 2 concealed rods. You will not be able to see the concealed rods because they are inside the aluminum door style. When you lift up on the lever handle, it engages the concealed lock rods into the bottom sill threshold and also into the top frame header. These 2 locking rods along with the deadbolt is why it is called a 3-point lock. Any lock that locks at more locations in addition to the deadbolt is called a multi-point lock. Even though the 2 rod locking points are concealed inside of the aluminum door panel, PGT mainly uses 3-point locks with concealed rods in all of the 750 series doors. Now, just to make sure the lock details are correct so far, look at the exterior handle set on the door to determine the key cylinder location. The keyhole should be positioned above the lever handle. In other words, when you lock the door from the exterior, you should lift the lever handle to engage the concealed rod locking points, then lock the deadbolt, placing the key above the lever handle. This will tell us that you have the American key cylinder version, key above lever handle position, and which concealed multi-point door lock that is installed on your PGT 750 series impact rated French door. These small details will help us determine the factory specified replacement lock that repairs your PGT 750 series door. If you need any more help, you can always give us a call to get help. Call us at 954-804-1044, or you can always send us an email and photos to hoppylocks@gmail.com. We keep these replacement locks in stock and ready ship out directly to you. If you need installation service, we provide installation services in South Florida, mainly Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade counties. We have repaired multi-point door locks on all hurricane-rated doors since 1995 and are considered South Florida's top multi-point door lock repair company.